Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm so happy that you are here. Today we are opening a Jomar Wholesale box. This is the Hipster box. I honestly have no idea why I bought this box. I have no idea what I was thinking. Why would I buy the Hipster box? I don't even really think I know what a hipster is. Hipster fashion is probably something I should know about. Maybe I was thinking, Quenby, you have to get some stuff that's like more on trend, or I don't know. Maybe I was trying to push myself out of my comfort zone and get something different. No idea, but I'm glad you're here. You know that I buy these boxes and I resell this stuff on eBay and Poshmark, and I now send things into Thredup. I'm in my first 6 weeks or so of sending things into Thredup, and I'm loving it. So I should probably do some kind of update video with you guys. I'm just opening this box up, and let's see. I'll do some sort of update where I let you know what's sold and how things are going on Thredup, because it's a new thing for me that I'm starting to talk more about here on the channel. I do know that I have made over $1,000 in sales so far, and I think it's like 5 or 6 weeks, so that's pretty good. But this stuff in this box, I'll either sell myself on eBay or Poshmark, or I'll send to Thredup. This is the Hipster 2.0 pack. Women's assorted 20 pieces. It's an inexpensive box. It was originally $120. I get a discount. Always shop on Jomar with the discount code. If you're shopping there and you put in my code, the Grateful Queen, all one word, you get a discount and I earn credit. And I use the credit to buy more boxes and unbox them with you here on the channel. So I have a feeling we're gonna learn something. So, I'm looking in here and I'm like, okay, t-shirts and buffalo plaid. Don't know. We're gonna learn together. I love mystery boxes because I always learn some stuff. This is a baseball hat by New Hatton. Oh, that's kind of cute. Maybe it's like Manhattan or something, but New Hatton. No idea. No idea why this is considered hipster. It's a baseball hat. It's sort of like faded. So maybe I will be putting things like hipster in my title. This is Thrasher. And this is a corduroy baseball hat. I don't know if these are unisex or what. Do you guys have a sense of what hipster is? I think we can let's Google it.
What is hipster?
Okay, what does hipster style mean? Hipster insists on individualism and are concerned with maintaining their authenticity. A hipster is typically considered someone whose interests fall outside the mainstream instead of following popular trends. They tend to favor alternative lifestyles and quirky dressing. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this photo. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but here we go. If you're a hipster, you're very cool. Let's learn about it. This is awesome, and it's a Harley Davidson shirt. That's cool. Harley Davidson sells really well. It's got a graphic on it with a rocket. Huntsville, Alabama. And this looks really big. This has got to be like an XL. So that's a hipster success right there. If you don't know, Harley Davidson stuff. I've been reselling 10 years on eBay, friends. It sold well back then, and it still sells well now. So here's another tee, kind of a faded tee. The brand is Blue 84. I have a feeling this is more going to be about style, friends, than it is about brand. I don't know. It looks super faded, broken in. North Lake Catskills. I do love the wash on this. I could see this being on Free People with some crazy ripped up high-waisted jeans and a t-shirt that looks distressed and faded is probably very cool. Do you guys buy t-shirts? At the bins, the Goodwill outlet, do you buy t-shirts? I don't even look at t-shirts. I don't really know what I'm looking for. Some t-shirts, vintage t-shirts or band t-shirts, can be very valuable. So it's worth taking a look. Bring your phone and just look stuff up. This is so soft. This says Beastie Boys. Oh my God, that's so great. Super soft gray t-shirt. This is not super old. It doesn't have a single stitch on the sleeve. The softness of it, though, is so good. Oh, this is by Chaser. That's cool. I haven't seen this particular tag. I wonder if that's the Chaser. I buy a lot of women's Chaser to sell on eBay and Poshmark, and it does well. And I don't know. I think I might list these as unisex because women love wearing these faded oversized t-shirts too. So I'll do a little bit of research. Another boxy t-shirt that says techno-feminism. Whoa. I don't think I would know to pick these things up. Definitely the Harley Davidson. Maybe if I was at the bins where you just make a huge pile and pay by the pound and everything's like $1, I might do it. And the brand on this is Comfort Colors. Disco Woman Made in Brooklyn XL. This is very, very cool. Friends, just a friendly reminder to please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any reselling related videos. There's a little bell next to subscribe. Click that. That lets you know when a new video comes out or when I go live. Oh, these are some Levi's. These are awesome. They do have some issues. You guys, Levi's have been selling so well for me. You know, some certain brands kind of go in and out of trend, and it's like when I first started 10 years ago on eBay, it's like I was not buying Levi's, but the last couple of years, Levi's has sold so great for me. It's such a consistent seller, and there are bolos within the Levi's brands. Like I know the wedgie is really popular, the rib cage. Just look it up on your phone if you're outsourcing and you see a pair of Levi's. I just bought a pair of 525 Levi's straight that looks like they'll sell for like $35. These don't have a name on them. They're a size 28, but check these out. These are like a light wash button fly. That's awesome. And they have huge rips in the knees. Now that is popular. You just disclose it. I do notice a stain here. I will spray shout on this. Give it a little scrub, let it sit for 24 hours and see if it comes out. I can get almost any stain out that way, friends, but I think with a cool pair of jeans like this, these are awesome actually. The wash on them is just so good. It's okay, I'll just disclose. This is called Buffalo Plaid. This particular red and black wide plaid is called Buffalo Plaid, and this is by Levi's. It's a size large, and this is like so perfect for fall 2021. Women are wearing these oversized with like a more of a crop top or a t-shirt rolled up at the sleeves, long, and they wear it open. That's really trendy for 2021. Ooh, lots of jeans in here, so this is cool. This is a fun box. I know mystery boxes are not for everyone, but I am a reseller who's part-time. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have a 10-year-old son. I'm a busy lady like you guys, I'm sure. I can't go out thrifting all the time. So mystery boxes have just saved my reselling business. I get like 20, 30 items delivered to my house all the time. I send some of it to Thredup. I list 5 items a day, and it just kind of keeps my business going. So I love that about mystery boxes. But trust me on this, friends. Some mystery boxes are awesome. Some are duds. I don't know what you're gonna get. I just keep buying lots of them, and that business strategy for sourcing works for me. But be careful buying mystery boxes. If you want to shop at Jomar and you don't have like a ton of extra money to play around with, or you're pretty selective about what you sell, I would recommend getting a new tag box, because then you kind of know what you're getting in there, or a brand specific box, because they sell those now. Pre-owned boxes, total mystery. Like, you don't know what you're gonna get in there. So these are kids, I think. I know they're kids. They're Levi 550 Relax. The reason I know they're kids is because they have this elastic and button at the waistline, that's so that you can adjust them. But these have got to be a bigger kids, or size 12. Yes, that's a bigger kid. Maybe I'll set those aside for Torvald. He's 10. He's on the littler side. There's a lot of Levi's in here, so take note, friends. Apparently, if you are a hipster, you wear Levi's. This is another pair of Levi's, the wedgie straight. Oh, this is so awesome. This is one of the bolos in Levi's. I was gonna button them up for you, but it looks like this, wedgie straight, size 29. I tried to get myself a pair of these in like a 31, 32. They are so high-waisted. Like, they really go up like high. So I just wasn't comfortable having something on my waist that high. These are awesome. Wedgie straight size 29 button fly. Keep your eye out for those, because for a pre-owned pair of jeans to be able to get like 40 or 50 bucks, that's awesome. More jeans, more Levi's. So the Levi's 721 high-rise skinny in 28. So a black pair of skinny Levi's, you guys, depending on the style of Levi's, but I can get like on the low end 20. On the high end, I can probably get like $50, $60 for some of these. So don't sleep on Levi's. Don't buy every single pair, look them up. This shirt is by Suck International, but it's S-U-C-C. I don't even know what I'm looking at with this graphic, friends. It's by Suck International. And this one says hockey. Sweetheart of the rodeo. Okay, so here's something else I'm learning about this hipster style. You're gonna have cool jeans and you're gonna have a cool t-shirt with a weird saying. It's gotta look, you can't have like a bright crisp t-shirt. It needs to be gray or black, preferably, and faded. Hipster night, ooh, this one's really great. This is a Led Zepplin t-shirt. I would wear that. That's really cool. A sleeveless, super soft Led Zeppelin t-shirt. I mean, it looks modern, but really soft. This is awesome. Would I buy this box? I'm really happy with this box, especially all those Levi's. I mean, I'll make my money back in a second. This is just a Hanes t-shirt in a size large, and it says London, Paris, Rome, Wrightsville Beach. It says 1987 on it. So this is a vintage tee, baby. I don't know. And it does just have the single stitch here. So I'll look that up. Yeah, if you're doing vintage t-shirts, look them up, because some are worth a lot of money. Bob Dylan. So we definitely have a theme with the boxy t-shirts and band t-shirts. Bob Dylan. Taking everything down to Highway 61. And this is by Lucky Brand, so this one will do great. Lucky Brand sells great for me, especially men's. I really am enjoying this boxer, you guys. Oh my god, yes. You have to have some Wranglers with the vintage pocket. I was on the Free People site the other day looking at denim. I'm always trying to learn kind of like what's trending. And they have a collab with Wrangler. And the beautiful, tall, thin models that Free People uses mostly are all wearing the Wranglers super high and tight on the hips. And then they go out to like a boot cut or a flare or something. I think these are just genuine vintage Wranglers. Look at the old tag. So there are some people that know how to go on places like Pinterest and date jeans and date brands by the tag. My partner Petey still wears Wranglers. These look like women's though. I think they're women's. Yeah, these have like a women's cut, so I don't know, I'll do a little research. Yeah, Petey wears Wranglers and he looks great in them. And he's not wearing them ironically as a hipster. He's genuinely wearing like, because they're like work jeans. Another pair of Levi's. I could not be happier with this. These ones, someone cut the tag out with the style, so that kind of stinks. They're black women's jeans, and I don't know which they are because the tag at the waist is cut out. What a bummer. So I don't know the size, and I don't know the style. Is it on the back? Oh, here we go. Yeah. The waist 28, length 30. Lot 510. Okay, so I'm assuming these are Levi's 510s. I'm going to go with that. This box has been quite enjoyable. Mile High Super Skinny says 27. You guys, I got like, these are really high-rise skinny. Those are awesome. I can't believe how many pairs of Levi's I got. And if you figure, let's just go on the low end and say my profit after fees. Let's just say my profit after fees on eBay and Posh and stuff. Let's say I'm only making 20 bucks. Okay, well, I got, how many pairs of Levi's did I get? 8? I mean, that's an easy way to make the money back. And then I've got some kind of jacket here. Whoa. This is very cool. Let's stand up to take this baby in. It's a Levi's long vest. I do not know a lot about Levi's, like, but there are ways to learn more. Look at, these have some old, this is old. The buttons look really different on here. Some Levi's stuff is worth money. Look at the cut on the back of that. This is so like 80s, 90s is my guess. But what I would need to do is have somebody help me look up this tag. You know, the white tag with the black. And then if there's some tag inside, there's one here, but it's not much. So what I can do if I want to do a lot of research is like Google, probably go on Pinterest or something and look at the different tags and what year. That was super fun. I love mystery boxes. They bring me some joy. I make a lot of money on them. So for me, it's fantastic. What do you guys think? Are you going to be looking out for some hipster stuff now? Let me know. I'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Hope you were singing the bye-bye song along with me that time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Maybe I need an arm gesture. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Why is this not like staying in place? I think I'm probably supposed to screw something in. I could count up how many times in the video I said hipster. That would be fun. I'm gonna drink so much water today. I bought one of those gallons and I was doing like the gallon a day challenge months back. And now just on days where I know I need extra water, I fill it up and then I just pour from that into my water glass all day to make sure I'm getting a lot of water. Do you guys do that? You don't want to be dehydrated. It makes you tired. Would you like some like health and nutrition advice now on my reselling channel? Oops, sliding down. Why is it doing that? What's, oh, this thing maybe. Does this do something? I don't know. I'll be doing the video and it'll just go, whoop, elevator down. About things that sell well or brands or styles, because this is probably gonna be hipster, trendy stuff that I know very little bit about. You suck, but it was S-U-C-C, Mom. I wasn't saying S-U-C-K. All right. Yeah, they just keep letting me make videos. No one's like been like, Quemby, we have some news. You're getting too silly over here on the Grateful Queen and you need to like step back for a bit.